Good evening, Delhi. Today I am at Delhi Haat INA to attend Adi Mahotsav 2021. This is a celebration of tribal art, culture, food and music, and it's organized by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, TribeFed and Tribes India. Adi Mahotsav started in 2017 and since then it has been happening at various places in Delhi as well as India on various dates and multiple locations. Last year, because of the pandemic, there was no Adi Mahotsav. But in 2021, this is the first Adi Mahotsav that is happening at Delhi Haat, and it's looking quite festive, colorful. People are back. It's an indication of life getting back to normal, and we are like really thrilled. Around 1,000 artists, artisans and chefs from more than 20 states of this country are participating in Adi Mahotsav, giving us a glimpse of their rich tradition, culture and food here at Delhi Haat.
मध्य प्रदेश की
डिंडोरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से। अच्छा,
इसमें अभी मैं पत्ती बना रहा हूँ, इसके बाद इनमें डिजाइनें डलेंगे, फिर फिनिशिंग होगी।
अच्छा, कितने साल से कर रहे हैं आप?
4 साल से।
तो अभी सिर्फ आप गोंद बनाते हैं?
मैं सिर्फ अपना ही आर्ट करता हूँ और किसी का आर्ट नहीं।
अच्छा, और कहाँ सीखा आपने?
मैं अपने रिलेशन में मेरे मामा जी करते थे।
अच्छा,
उनके जरिए मैंने सीखा।
अच्छा, थैंक यू। There is an inherent simplicity about tribal creations, and that is why their appeal is absolutely timeless. Adi Mahotsav showcases tribal furniture, woodwork, beadwork, rugs, clothes, ornaments, along with, of course, food and folk dances. We're big fan of tribal art, cuisine and jewelry and handicraft of India's tribal regions.
इसको टोडा आर्ट बोलते हैं। टोडा वो कम्युनिटी है।
कम्युनिटी है। अच्छा।
तो वो इस चीज़ों को करते हैं, उन्हीं के नाम पे इसको टोडा आर्ट्स कहते हैं। 3,500 पुरानी आर्ट है।
अच्छा,
सिविलाइजेशन से।
ओके। I couldn't resist buying something actually, and I'm buying 2 caps from Nagaland handicraft stall. So there's this handmade cap in 3-4 colors. So I'm buying it for my father. There's another one in green, a moss green color that I'm buying for myself. I'll just try it out. There is already a permanent food court in Delhi Haat, but for Adi Mahotsav they've set up another food court, so people in Delhi can actually taste this tribal food here at Delhi Haat at this makeshift food court. So let's walk towards food court and see what all they have for us. ये क्या चीज़ के लड्डू?
ये सर रागी लड्डू है।
कहाँ से? ये झारखंड से। अच्छा, क्या नाम है इसका, ये स्वीट का?
इसको बोलते हैं डोम्बो।
डोम्बो। अच्छा, ये किस चीज़ का बनता है?
ये भी रागी का है।
ये भी रागी। कहाँ का फूड है ये? गुजरात का।
बटाटा भाजी,
मूंग दाल का शीरा,
मूंग दाल, दही बड़ा।
वो नहीं है क्या छेना पोड़ा?
जी नहीं,
उड़ीसा पर लगता था हम तो छेना पोड़ा खाने के लिए। और वो
प्रॉपर उड़ीसा में, ये सुंदरगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट है।
अच्छा, ओके। आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग typical छेना पोड़ा and dahi vada of Odisha at Adi Mahotsav, but छेना पोड़ा and dahi vada are common Odisha items. They are from Sundargarh, a district in Odisha. So they have brought the cuisine from their own district. So this is actually, you know, real tribal food that you can taste here. Not your typical Odisha or regional food from India. Red
चीटी
चीटी की चटनी.
चीटी की चटनी है सर ये।
अच्छा।
हम लोग 22 किलो चीटी लेके आए हैं टोटल।
अच्छा,
हाँ, जंगल से।
ये कौन सी लाल वाली जो चीटी होती है?
स्पीसीज है, रेड हेड्स है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छी होती है, फॉर्मिक है, कोरोना के लिए भी इलाज हो रहा है सर इससे।
अच्छा।
हाई कोर्ट में डिस्ट्रिक्ट में देखिए, PIL फाइल है इसमें।
ओके।
और ये टिकुर की मिठाई है, टिकुर कांदे की मिठाई है। टिकुर एक हल्दी टाइप का कांदा होता है।
अच्छा।
उसको हम लोग उसका पाउडर बना लेते हैं।
Going to try some rice wine from Chhattisgarh, and you know they have mahua and rice wine and some sweets. So I'm going to go for some rice wine. I've never tried that before.
और उसके साथ चीटी का चटनी खाइए।
So these are the ants chutney.
ये सर आलू है, जो आलू का दम बना हुआ है, वो जो हमारा मसाला है वो ऊपर से हम लेके आए, लोकल मसाला है जो बस का पेस्ट के साथ बना हुआ है। और ये रोटी है, नहीं होता इसको बोलते हैं हम सेल रोटी बोलते हैं।
अच्छा।
ये चावल का रोटी का बना हुआ है, खाने में बहुत स्वादिष्ट है और सॉफ्ट रहेगा ये।
अच्छा।
हफ्ता 2-10 दिन तक कुछ खराब नहीं होगा, आप ऐसे अलग से भी ले जा सकते हैं।
So here's my dinner of sel roti and aloo dum. This is from Sikkim. This is hot, steaming and vegetarian. There's a proper stage setup for some music and dance performances. So it's evening and they've started with the performances. So I'm walking towards the stage to relish some of that. We really wanted to see how is Dilli Haat doing after Corona, because we recorded a video when Dilli Haat just opened after Corona, but then it was totally deserted. But now it's quite a few months, and with a major decline in Corona cases in Delhi NCR, Dilli Haat is back to its full glory. They have a lot of customers, almost all stalls are full. I mean the regular stalls at Dilli Haat as well as the stalls that are specially put up for Adi Mahotsav. It's looking very colorful, vibrant and happy. After months of this pandemic, looks like life is getting back to normal, and we are very happy about it. Adi Mahotsav is happening from 1st of February till 15th of February at Dilli Haat INA, and the nearest metro station is INA Market Metro Station. There is no entry ticket for Adi Mahotsav, but of course you have to pay the regular 30 rupees entry ticket for Dilli Haat. 30 rupees is for adults and 20 rupees for kids. The festival was inaugurated by Vice President of India Mr. Venkaiah Naidu on 1st of February. And about Corona protocols at Dilli Haat and Adi Mahotsav, yes, it is an open air venue, so it is easy to maintain social physical distancing here. Almost everybody is wearing masks, and they have sanitizer at the entry gates too. A little disclaimer though, I have already removed my mask here, but this is just so that I can be audible on the camera, but this is neither allowed nor encouraged. Make sure whenever you're visiting Dilli Haat or any other public place, make sure you're using mask and keeping social distancing. Though the days are brighter and sunny these days, but it rained this morning, and that is why the evening is also very windy and cold. But still, a lot of people have chosen to come to Adi Mahotsav, and that's a good sign. People are coming out, people are appreciating art and handicraft, and people actually want to keep the pandemic behind. And if you're wondering where is Vedabrata these days, he's in USA right now. He is holidaying with his folks in California. He also saw a lot of Indian handicraft in America. So we've done a dedicated blog about Indian art in USA that Vedabrata experienced this time. So I'll leave the link of that blog somewhere on the screen or in the description below. Do check it out. I would have spent some more time here at Delhi Haat and Adi Mahotsav, but it has started raining. So I think it's time for me to sign off from Adi Mahotsav. Do check this out. It's a great festival. It's absolutely free. Lot of tribal stuff all under one roof. So it's a great opportunity to experience the incredible India.